Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Lily.
Did you sleep well through the whole night?
Yes, I slept wonderfully and feel completely rested today.
What time did you wake up from your sleep this morning?
I opened my eyes at exactly 6:30 on the dot.
Did you stay in bed for a long time after waking up?
No, I got out of bed immediately to start my day.
What is the very first thing you do every single morning?
I always drink a big glass of cold water first thing.
Do you wash your face with hot water or cold water?
I prefer using cold water because it wakes me up quickly.
Did you remember to make your bed?
Yes, I always stretch my blanket and fix my pillows immediately.
What does the weather look like outside right now?
The sky looks a little bit cloudy and gray at the moment.
Should I bring my favorite umbrella with me today just in case?
Yes, you should definitely take it because it might rain later on.
Are you starting to feel a little bit hungry for breakfast now?
Yes, my stomach is rumbling and I am ready to eat something.
Would you prefer crunchy cereal or some warm fried eggs this morning?
I would love some delicious fried eggs with toast today, please.
Do you want me to put some strawberry jam on your toast?
Yes, please, I really love sweet jam on my crispy toast.
Is there any cold orange juice left inside the refrigerator for us?
No, we drank the very last drop of juice yesterday afternoon.
Can you please buy another carton of juice when you go out?
Sure thing, I will stop by the local grocery store after work.
Do you prefer to drink hot coffee or hot tea with breakfast?
I always drink black coffee every morning to get some energy.
Do you put any white sugar or fresh milk into your coffee?
No, I prefer my morning coffee completely black with nothing added.
What time do you usually leave the house to go to work?
I normally walk out the door around 7:45 in the morning.
How long does it take for you to arrive at your office?
It usually takes about 20 minutes if traffic is not heavy.
Do you ride the crowded train or do you drive your car?
I prefer riding the train so I can read books comfortably.
What kind of book are you reading on the train these days?
I am reading a very interesting mystery story about a detective.
Do you feel happy and excited to go to work this morning?
Yes, I like my job because my co-workers are very friendly.
Can you please tell me where my car keys are hiding today?
Your keys are sitting right next to the small fruit bowl.
Did the mail carrier drop off any letters in our mailbox yet?
No, the mail carrier usually arrives around noon every single day.
Where are you going in such a big hurry right now?
I'm heading straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth.
Did you remember to lock the back door safely last night?
Yes, I made sure to lock every single door before sleeping.
Do you know where the television remote control is hiding today?
I think it fell right under the big, fluffy sofa pillow.
What exactly are you looking for inside that crowded bedroom closet?
I'm searching everywhere for my comfortable black winter jacket.
Did you have time to wash your jacket over the weekend?
No, it is still sitting in the corner because it is dirty.
Could you please help me load the washing machine with clothes?
Sure, I can carry the laundry down and start the machine.
Where should I drop off this heavy pile of dirty clothes?
Please place them directly inside the blue plastic laundry basket.
Is the warm water in the shower hot enough for you?
Yes, the water feels absolutely wonderful and perfect on my skin.
Did you accidentally leave the bright bathroom light turned on again?
Oh, I am so sorry because I completely forgot to flip it off.
Can you hand me that clean white towel hanging over there?
Here you go. This towel is very soft and completely dry.
Do you listen to the radio while you are getting ready?
Yes, I like to listen to the morning news broadcast.
Is there any important news happening in our city today?
No, everything seems very quiet and normal around town today.
Are you planning to exercise or go running later this evening?
Yes, I am going to jog around the park after work.
Did you remember to give the puppy his breakfast this morning?
Yes, I filled his bowls with delicious food and clean water.
Why is our little dog barking so loudly at the front window?
He sees a strange orange cat walking through our green yard.
Should we lace up our shoes and take him for a walk?
Yes, let's take him out for some exercise in the fresh air.
Where did we leave the dog's long leather leash last night?
It should be hanging safely on the hook behind the front door.
Is the air outside very chilly or is it comfortable today?
It actually feels quite pleasant and warm out there right now.
Do I need to put on a thick coat before we leave?
No, a simple, light sweater will be more than enough today.
Are you finally ready to step outside and enjoy the sunshine?
Yes, I am completely ready, so let's start walking now.
Did you double check to ensure the kitchen stove is turned off completely?
Yes, I looked at it twice to make sure it was safe.
Did you turn the lock on the front door properly just now?
Yes, our front door is safely locked up tight behind us.
How long do you think our morning walk will take today?
It usually takes us about 30 minutes to complete the loop.
Do you want to walk quickly today or just take it easy?
Let's walk nice and slowly so we can enjoy the morning.
Look at those gorgeous purple flowers blooming over by the fence.
Wow, they look stunning and they smell absolutely wonderful in the air.
Who is that friendly person waving their hand at us over there?
That is our wonderful next-door neighbor, whose name is Mr. Smith.